Welcome to the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia Max UHF 57, Lagos, Port Harcourt, and Abuja, and Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. And this is the Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show. As it is hot, we dey tell us every weekday from 10 go reach 11 don't turn Christmas. Sake of say all the action to inside Nigeria political arrangement, we go carry am, drop am down, chook mouth inside, talk am the way anything be. Give you opportunity to talk your own so that those when they lead this country go do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezogo Chokwode. And as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother Wayne Sabu where I stay concerning politics matter as it is hot.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers, and welcome to another edition of that Ogbonge program, As It Is Hot. That political program where they at least give now different information about political activities where they happen for Obodo Nigeria and other related issues. Today we no go different. We go tear the rubber just as Chico did normally talk. Tear the rubber, give now different stories about what happened over the weekend so that at least the moment we don't open our phone lines, you and us, we go feed it, we go feel relate. Now, so we go address these issues, address them well. We don't always talk about this program. So Nigeria not be anybody country. Now we get not be anybody estate. Now our own collectively, and we go ensure say at least we will move forward. My name never see change. My name is Nkubi, and this is now As It Is Hot.
Moving to Tory number 1. This one get to do with the statement when we say the president of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari, talk for Washington D.C. for inside Obodo United States of America. Some people don't already talk and say, our Oga president don't travel like Pikin when no go holiday when he's small. So they don't fit count them again. But inside Washington, D.C., he meet with Nigerians when don't I go speak English, distinguish themselves for different professions inside Obodo, USA. When he sit down with them, I mean, can tell them, say, in government, go do everything when they're within their power and their best possible to move Nigeria forward rapidly. Now, the English when he use rapidly. Some people go ask them and say, Oga Presido, we know say you want to move this our country forward rapidly, but I beg put date, make we know, or make all of us know, say our suffering will get expiry date. Oga Presido break them down, let Nigerians understand the way when things they go. He tell them, say everybody knows, say from 1960 when Nigeria get independence, successive administrations when they rule this country, it be like say somehow, all the promise when they promise Nigeria people, they no follow them. It they show. In can talk say your own government don't understand all these problems and they go do the right thing to see say the country move forward. Some people stand up and say, yes, we know say you want to do the right thing when we move this country forward. But we get family members from inside Nigeria and plenty people they suffer. Say make this government get direction. Make people know say, okay, see the A where we dey. Tomorrow we go enter B, from B we go enter C, from C we go do am until we enter Z. Say no be just by mouth, na action na they want to see. That one na be the first story when we tear the nylon come out on top of this morning as it is hot.
From there, we go straight to US. US don't come and talk, say, look, we never forget Chibok girls. When they try to talk, they say, look, we never forget Chibok girls. Say the issue of Chibok girls, to ensure at least, to make sure they find them, still did their mind. And they talk this one over, say, just, we know very well much, in the month of April, last 2 years, we had the case of 250 girls, about 250 Chibok girls, when they do it, where the Jaguda people, they call Boko Haram, do it, kidnap, carry, go, Sambisa, carry, come out from their school. And even as we speak, we never feel trace where some of these, a lot of these girls, they come out now, come they assure us, look, say for them, say the issue of Chibok girls, no be forgotten issue. Say they never forget that. Say they go still they do it. They go do everything, all the necessary support where they go support to ensure that at least these girls, say they go find them, locate them anywhere where they. Now, what in US they talk about the second anniversary of the missing Chibok girls? Be this.
The next story we're going to get to do with the Nigerian army. And before I drop the bad news, I go drop the good news. Make everybody from inside Obodo Nigeria happy. Say our army really and truly then they work. On top of us, they hot. We always they talk and say, we the cut cap give our gallant troops them against, I go speak English, against all odds. That they do their best to see, say, the corporate existence and the territorial integrity of Obodo Nigeria, say the thing they secure. And we they very sure say, very soon, these Boko Haram Jaguda people, we go pursue them come up for inside this our country. And this will not lead us a step forward to the goodness when we say our soldier people they do. And they talk say one bad Boko Haram Jaguda person when we say if you see him, you don't see Oga Shekau finish. Then they call him the deputy of Shekau, the bad man of Boko Haram Jaguda people. Our soldier people then spread their drag nets. That is their net when they use they check for bad people. They can't catch this bad man for inside Kogi State. His name na Al-Banawi. Al-Banawi think saying they're very, very smart. Saying go they play Tom and Jerry with our soldier people. But our soldier people don't show am say, not be just to the tidy Boko Haram Jaguda people for the battlefield. Say intelligence, they think Boku for them. They don't catch Al-Banawi and they don't confirm, say yes, in there with them. And then they interrogate them to get plenty information about them. We they talk am on top of us, say our soldier people, we believe in them and we dey very, very certain, say, very soon this Boko Haram Jaguda badness, it go come out. I don't drop the good news. Make I drop this sad one. Brigadier General Aliyu Momo of the Nigerian Army, the hammer of the army don hit am for head sake of say they don indict am for something wey happen for inside Ekiti and Osun State general elections. And dem talk say im hand follow for some kind badness wey happen wey allow Jaguda people or bad people to use do badness inside the election. And the panel wey be say the army set up don look into all these things. Dem come tell am say time don reach for them to go retire. That is to say, he don't do the one when we say they don't agree. Say he don't do reach, make him just go house, go sit down. And 12 other officers, they don't hand them over to EFCC based on say they talk say money exchange hands. On top of us, they talk and say, what thing go change this our country and move this our country forward with the support them. We need to get discipline for the Nigerian army and also ensure say those when they represent us, whether for army, whether for police or every other paramilitary or those when we elect to represent us for government, they must be responsible and you go receive the reward for the good when you do or the punishment for bad when you do. Leave them, I see the hot, leave them.
Yes, from there we could go straight to Benue State for Agatu community. Spokesperson for United Nations, one Mrs. Angele the Congo at Tangana, don't come and talk. Say, look, say Agatu don't spoil if you don't destroy, finish. When they say it destroy, it don't there for total ruin. Say, in fact, they don't even see anything big there. And she talk this thing, and she talk this thing on Saturday when she surveyed, look around the place. Come talk, say, look, say for them to even talk, say they won't rebuild them. Agatu say it will take time. Say everything about Agatu say don't destroy. Say in her life. In her history over 20 years, which don't they work with UN. Say she never said destruction will reach this one. Because they appeal to government, say, look, government, it go good though. You go good now, her suggestion go good if not do it. If not come out, come address this matter. Oh. Make now come out, come address this matter before this thing go enter second phase or second chance. Because if not no address her now, if you lead to waiting and no will handle subsequently. Oh. Now what is she come and talk? In a reaction when they interview the spokesperson of Ogajuna, Oga Femi Adesina, he come talk say look when it comes to the issue of Agatu say Oga President don't give wetin, he don't put talking wetin want talk about that, and then now wetin he don't talk in the stand on. So make we are on our own side with the talk say look make now take relatively look this matter address and so at least make we see a total end. A total stop to the crisis where they happen for Benue, that is Agatu, and also other related communities where they face different crises. Now, what I get to talk on top of this matter?
To top all our story, everybody they wait for April 7 to reach. April 7 will not be Christmas, not be people birthday. Now, because of say that day, our junior minister, that is the Minister for State for Petroleum, Oga Emmanuel Ibekachiku, now I mean give dates, say, the line went on the day for inside different parts of Nigeria. Say that day the thing go clear. Sake of say from that day, fuel go begin the day nyafu inside Obodo, Nigeria. But over the weekend, some gist come out say it be like say government don't increase the money when people go use they sell or they buy fuel for inside Obodo, Nigeria, and say they don't return subsidy inside the arrangement. But government don't come out now through the agency when we say their work. Now to ensure say the product of the price they put on and they don't come and talk say government never come out with any official stand say they don't bring back subsidy inside the whole arrangement and whether they go increase the money of fuel. Yeah, but some other people gonna talk say we are waiting on April 7. Say if April 7 pass and e be like say the queue then still there. Oga Emmanuel Ibekachiku say he go come out wear short knicker, carry gallon himself. He go track the whole now what is some people talk he go track the whole of Nigeria begin the sell black market because you can't carry people hope up at the end of the day you can't bring them down but plenty Nigerians they wait based on say the government don already promise say this fuel scarcity go become a thing of the past. All of these 5 stories where we carry come now action story will happen for inside Obodo Nigeria this weekend. As we don't drop them down, we no go waste time. We go throw our phone lines open, make yourself chukma for inside the arrangement. Remember, I say we they talk and say As it hot na platform wey belong to all of us inside Obodo Nigeria, and everybody get right to talk am the way anything be them for body. We get 3 telephone lines. We dey talk am with toll-free line. We be the only television station wey fit kill goat to take use make pepper soup for you. Wetin be toll-free line? You go call, you go talk. The full Nigeria go hear you, but na we go dey pay. Leave am as e dey hot. Leave am. Wetin be why you dey clear your throat? No, why you dey? No, tell can you Nkubi? Can you explain to Nigerians why when I talk finish you dey clear your throat? No, can you explain why April 7, which is this week? April 7, which is this week? You will not escape this one, oh. You will not escape it. People they kill. People they.
No, see, I dey feel the plight of Nigerians.
Which feel you they feel?
I dey feel the pains of Nigerians. I'm a Nigerian, and I know.
No, you are from Cameroon.
No, hold on, young man.
You are from Cameroon.
Hold on.
You are from Cameroon. You are feeling the, you are appealing to their conscience. That's a fallacy. You are appealing to the conscience of Nigerians. You feel their plight.
It is a Monday morning, and Monday morning no be morning where we say person they enter into argument with people where we say they feel say them sabi they shout, they make noise. And make our own be saying that to just address matters so that Nigerians go feel follow suit. Make we know as we go take collectively, rub minds, address this matter rather than to the follow person where we say now only noise they make, they follow and they argue unnecessarily. You made your point. I clear truth na bad thing.
Since it be like say Nigeria, no they go the way when we say people been promised say go. Now una know say una no fit talk again. Abi?
Always realize.
Now una know say una no fit talk again.
We need to realize. We get one Obunga girl said the other time. We tell us, look, sometimes they go only they see something from the distance. We say once we don't enter into them, we go feel address them. But once you don't step into the system, we go say, the system itself, it get your own.
That's Unkubi.
But the thing is, listen to me.
That's a pitiable.
No, listen to me. Listen to me. But in this case, nobody is.
Say you go come and they tell Nigeria say from the outside. You don't get what anything be.
But the point is say the fact say Oga Muhammad Buhari and in entourage people wey dey around am don't tell us say look say they are coming in for change. Now that change Nigerians won't see.
And on the 29th of March, e make am 10 months since they come in for that change. And people see the queue to buy fuel. People they queue, people they sleep for queue. Those of us wey get motor, now we didn't see the pay pass. They queue to buy fuel. You trek, so I cannot blame you. You are a trekker. Johnny Walker.
Which of the motor you get?
Johnny Walker.
No. Which of the motor you get?
Johnny Walker.
No, I know you reach house.
Which house you know me reach? Which house you know me reach?
Say,
you just use this slap. You just use this slap. They cover. They cover down.
All these lift they give you from left to right. If you see anybody, please, could you please drop me for this place? Now that one they take claim say you get motor.
At least I know the trek.
Me sir, I know the trek.
Which trek you know the trek?
I know the trek.
Which trek you know
Look,
the trek?
it is not written on me say I the trek.
Unkubi, but address this particular issue. Address this issue. We know when this West Cassidy go ahead.
Friday where they call us from Plateau, go help us address this matter. Chukudi. It is the responsibility of our callers to address them as well. Good morning, Oga Friday.
Yeah, Oga Chukudi.
Oga Friday, I dey hear you.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
I greet you, Oga Friday.
Yeah, you people that talk about that Benue crisis, the thing what they happen for Benue, I don't understand what is going on for Benue State about planning.
I got two issues.
Hello.
Would they hear you Friday?
Yeah, the best thing suppose they do for that Benue State, when they talk about that planning helmet. But they pursue planning come out for this country. Planning not get anything for this country.
Fulani when they say they pursue, and the Nigerians.
No, Fulani, they are killing people. They are bring many problems for this country. I'm telling you, Fulani, they are bring many problems for this country.
Okay, Oga Friday.
I don't know why they are stayed there myself. I don't know why they are stayed there. They are bring many problems for this country.
Okay. Oga Friday, thank you very much. You don't now the point you want is thank you very much for that.
What I get, I never finish.
Okay. With here.
Are you getting me?
Ride on.
Yeah, about the fuel scarcity.
Okay.
When Buhari enter president, see now remember 1 month he go reach 1 year. The fuel scarcity is still going on. I don't know what is going on here.
Oga Friday, thank you very much for this your important contribution. I go address the issue of Agatu. Anukubi go address the issue of fuel scarcity because now they're in the best position to explain to Nigerians why he be saying 11 months going into a particular administration when promised Nigerians change.
No. Let me address the issue of Agatu.
We get ego. Ego, they
don't
call
you
us all
ever
the way
tell me
from
to
Abuja.
address a particular matter.
Oga Ego, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, Oga Ego.
No, Oga Kubi never greet me.
Oga Ego, good morning. Me I go greet you whether you like it or not.
Let am talk now. Which one be you go greet? And by force to greet person.
Oga Shukudi, you know how they greet you.
I dey greet Oga
I will
Ego.
call you Prophet Shukudi.
Thank you very much.
Because you see the future.
Thank you very much.
When I go address Kubi as evangelist.
Evangelist.
Yes, because
You know not to dey make noise. You know not to dey make noise.
Okay.
You get me? See, this problem of this core issue, you get only one solution to this core issue. If President Muhammadu Buhari will eliminate all the cabals where they handle this core issue, because some of our senators, ex-governors, ex-senators, they get hands inside this core wahala. Because some of them they get police station, they get where they control the fuel, where they do many things. If they don't be caught their hand from us, like I tell you, the first case will continue. Because for Abuja here, to get fuel, you have to put on your shoe, your boots. In fact, you go wear helmet, body, because before you go get fuel, the fight to get fuel for Abuja not be here. And the way the minister will come out on the 7th, I believe on the 7th say this problem will not be solved at all. Because you say one solve, some of the fuel truck they divert them. We get track after truck where they go release the fuel from their depot. They track the fuel. They track them. That's they divert them. So the problem of fuel not go finish. May they try eliminate the cabals before this problem can be solved. Thank you very much.
Oga Ego, thank you very much for this important contribution. Eliminating the cabal, now you talk say will be the solution to this problem. We get Temitope. Temitope, they call us all the way from Shomolu. Temitope, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, Oga Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Temitope. Good morning.
We greet you, Temitope.
Good morning, and thank you very much.
Okay.
I still want to talk about this this oil crisis.
Okay.
And what I want to say concerning is that I see corruption fighting back. You know, if you look at this budget that was just passed by the National Assembly, that's yet to be signed by the President, you will see that there is no subsidy, some payment in that budget. And what that means is that the money that used to go to these oil cabals, the oil marketers, that will say they are bringing oil into Nigeria maybe one time and they sign 4 times and they get money for that, is no longer there. And I believe all these independent oil marketers who own petrol stations everywhere, they have oil, they have petrol, they have PMS, and they are holding it to make sure that they force the hands of government to look into their site and give them this allocation as in bringing oil into Nigeria. It is only NNPC as of today that is distributing petroleum that is importing petroleum into Nigeria. We agree that our refineries are not working up to capacity, and the NNPC is doing that solely, and they want the government to give it to them back as it used to be. And that's what we are facing today.
Thank you very much for this your important contribution.
Thank you very much.
Addressing the issue of those when we say they won't force the hand of government. We get Eze. Eze, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Eze, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot. Thank you for holding on.
Oga Eze, good morning.
Oga Eze, you did here. If I say the network no agree, Oga Eze, but we thank you for your patience. Quick one, we go rush, enter inside this small market. When we go this market, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it get to do with all of the action to do when we carry come from Odo, Nigeria this weekend when pass. So, na Tia Rubber Monday, na As It Dey Hot, na Wazobia Max, na Wazobia TV. No go anywhere, we dey come back. Leave am.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.